And now let's cut straight across to the Prime Minister Modi's roadshow in Bhuj in Gujarat during his 2-day tour to Gujarat. This comes after Operation Sindoor. So as you can see on your screens, he is there in Gujarat today and is undertaking a 1 kilometer long roadshow. During this roadshow, many people have gathered around the sidelines to greet Prime Minister Modi. You can see a sea of tirangas over there, and Prime Minister Modi stepping out of his vehicle and waving and acknowledging the love that the country is pouring on him. Prime Minister Modi, after Operation Sindoor, has gone to Gujarat for the first time. And today, in the morning, he was at Vadodara, where he undertook a roadshow. And this roadshow is happening in Bhuj. For more on this, let's go across to Piyush Mishra, who's in Gujarat also. Piyush, we are seeing the visuals of the roadshow right now, Prime Minister Modi in Bhuj. Bhuj is important also because it is not very far from the border and also in terms of military assets. So can you describe us more how important is this roadshow and Prime Minister's initiative?
Well, that's a very important roadshow which PM Narendra Modi is carrying out in Bhuj. Remember that he was in Dahod a few hours back, and after Dahod, now Prime Minister has reached the Bhuj. And remember that Bhuj is also significantly, strategically very important as Pakistan, when it was escalating, it was tried to attack various border areas, including in Bhuj. A few areas were on target. But we saw as to how our armed forces gave a befitting reply to Pakistan. And Prime Minister is on a 2-day visit to Gujarat, where he is he's reaching out to each and every on corner of Gujarat. He is right now in Bhuj. Before that, he was in Dahod, and before Dahod, Prime Minister was in Vadodara, where he received a grand welcome by the women of Vadodara. There in Dahod also a massive event was organized. Prime Minister from Dahod also gave out a strong message to Pakistan. And now, as we are speaking, Prime Minister is carrying out a roadshow in Bhuj, where he is being showered with flower petals. Thousands of people have now come out on the streets thanking PM Narendra Modi, congratulating him for Operation Sindoor. And wherever Prime Minister is going, we have seen how he is being given a grand welcome. So as we are speaking, Prime Minister is in Bhuj, and after this roadshow, Prime Minister will directly travel to Ahmedabad, where again at the airport of Ahmedabad, there is another roadshow which has been planned. So multiple events, multiple programs have been planned throughout the day. And after today's event in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister will be there in Gandhinagar, where he's going to address a massive rally. So it's a 2-day mega visit of PM Narendra Modi after the success of Operation Sindoor. And Prime Minister is being congratulated for the success of Operation Sindoor. Tomorrow he's going to address a huge rally. And remember that these 2 days visit of PM Narendra Modi are going to give a lot of opportunities to the people of Gujarat, and also multiple projects have been dedicated to the people of Gujarat worth rupees more than 82,000 crores.
Right. Thank you very much, Piyush, for bringing in those details. So Prime Minister Modi there, you can see in Gujarat, in Bhuj. Piyush, if you're with us, do stay on. We'll just quickly dip into the visuals and show Prime Minister Modi's road show that's happening in Bhuj right now. And also earlier, he was seen in Vadodara, which you can also see on the right-hand side of your screen, the road show that happened in Vadodara, where many women were present to welcome him. And also, you can see on the screen people who are holding flags and welcoming Prime Minister Modi. The visuals right there on your screens right now of the 2 road shows of Prime Minister Modi after Operation Sindoor in his home state of Gujarat. He is taking the message to the people, the celebration to the people, while there were many Tiranga Yatras that were organized by the BJP in many parts of the country and by many other chief ministers and the leaders also, but this is a roadshow that Prime Minister is doing in his home state, first in Vadodara in the morning, and now you see on your screens in Bhuj, Gujarat. An important place, not very far from the border. Bhuj also suffered at the hands of Pakistan when they tried to send drones and tried to attack the civilian population, but they were stopped by the armed forces. You can see on your screen Prime Minister Modi there interacting with the crowd, waving to the crowd, reaching there and sending the message of unity and integrity of the country to the people. Now let's listen to what Prime Minister Modi earlier today said at Vadodara.
जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकवादियों ने जो कुछ किया, क्या भारत चुप बैठ सकता है? क्या मोदी चुप बैठ सकता है? जब कोई हमारी बहनों के सिंदूर को मिटाएगा तो उसका भी मिटना तय हो जाता है। और इसलिए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर सिर्फ एक सैन्य कार्रवाई नहीं है, ये हम भारतीयों के संस्कारों, हमारी भावनाओं की अभिव्यक्ति है। आतंक फैलाने वालों को सपने में भी सोचा नहीं होगा मोदी से मुकाबला करना कितना मुश्किल होता है। पीता को गोली मार दी। आज भी वो तस्वीरें देखते हैं तो खून खौल जाता है। आतंकवादियों ने 140 करोड़ भारतीयों को चुनौती दी थी, इसलिए मोदी ने वही किया जिसके लिए देशवासियों ने, आपने मुझे प्रधान सेवक की जिम्मेदारी थी। मोदी ने अपनी तीनों सेनाओं को खुली छूट दी और हमारे शूरवीर ने वो कर दिखाया जो दुनिया ने पिछले कई दशकों से नहीं देखा था। हमने सीमा पार चल रहे आतंक के 9 सबसे बड़े आतंकी ठिकाने उनको ढूंढ निकाला, अता पता पक्का कर लिया और 22 तारीख को उन्होंने जो खेल खेला था, 6 तारीख रात को 22 मिनट में हमने उनको मिट्टी में मिला दिया।
Was the Prime Minister speaking at Dahod earlier today, and these are live visuals coming straight from Bhuj in Gujarat, and he is right now conducting a road show where, as you can see yourself, many people, thousands of people have come to greet the Prime Minister in his home state. We're also joined by Piyush Mishra, India Today's correspondent, who's tracking Prime Minister Modi's 2-day visit to his home state. Piyush, if you could tell us a little bit more about the importance of this roadshow and this trip to Bhuj. Why is there a special significance in terms of the connect that Prime Minister has with his home state, and also the fact that Bhuj people probably saw the repercussions of the skirmishes between India and Pakistan when when there was a little bit of tension, when the tensions were escalating?
Well, right now as we are speaking, we are getting these visuals coming in from Bhuj of Gujarat, and you can see as to how the people have gathered here to welcome PM Narendra Modi. None of them is holding a flag of Bharatiya Janata Party. Everyone is just holding a tricolor, which is signifying that everyone is there to welcome PM Narendra Modi and congratulate him on the success of Operation Sindoor. And like you rightly mentioned that yes, Bhuj has a lot of strategical importance as it is very much close to Pakistan border. And remember that when Pakistan tried to escalate tensions and it tried to provoke Indian Armed Forces at the time, Bhuj was also on high alert. And as Prime Minister is there in Bhuj, very soon he's going to also address the people who have gathered there. Remember that Prime Minister has just entered in the rally venue where he's going to dedicate multiple developmental projects to the people of Bhuj from that particular location. And after that particular program, PM Narendra Modi will be flying to Ahmedabad. And today in the evening at around 7:45 p.m. and PM Narendra Modi is going to also hold a roadshow in Ahmedabad. So in total, 5 programs, more than 5 programs have been done by PM Narendra Modi in the day, and tomorrow is the culmination of his 2-day visit where he's going to again address a grand rally in Gandhinagar of Gujarat. So as we are speaking, Prime Minister is in Bhuj. He is going to dedicate multiple developmental projects to the people of Gujarat, and after that he will fly to Ahmedabad and then tomorrow in Gandhinagar. So throughout the day, Prime Minister was received. He has been given a grand welcome by the people in different parts of Gujarat, be it about Vadodara or Dahod or now Bhuj. Then he will travel to Ahmedabad, and wherever he is going, he is receiving the accolades for the success of Operation Sindoor, and people are seen holding tracker in their hands, and across the country we are also seeing similar sort of sentiments are there where people are carrying out multiple Tiranga Yatras celebrating the success of Operation Sindoor.
Right, we can see the visuals right now on the screen as Prime Minister Modi is waving to the crowds and accepting their welcome there as people stand there and wave the Tiranga.